Remember building pillow forts? The world felt safe inside those walls. Now imagine that fort collapsing. That's the reality for many kids today. The American family is in shambles. Divorce rates are through the roof. Single-parent households are becoming the norm. It's a far cry from the Leave It to Beaver ideal. But hey, who needs Ward and June Cleaver when you have social media influencers, right? This isn't just about nostalgia, it's about the very fabric of our society. Families are the building blocks. When they crumble, everything else follows. We see it in our communities, our schools, our streets. The breakdown of the family unit has consequences, big ones. Kids are like sponges, they absorb everything around them, so when their home life is unstable, it leaves a mark. Imagine growing up in a war zone. That's what it's like for some kids in broken homes. Constant conflict, emotional turmoil, a sense of insecurity. The statistics paint a grim picture. Kids from divorced families are more likely to struggle in school, they're more likely to have behavioral problems, and they're more likely to end up in the criminal justice system. It's a cycle of pain that repeats itself generation after generation. Okay, enough doom and gloom, it's not too late to turn things around. Remember those old-fashioned values, faith, commitment, respect? They might seem outdated in our fast-paced, tech-obsessed world, but they're the key to rebuilding our families. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation, you need sturdy walls, and you need a roof that doesn't leak. It takes work, but the result is a haven, a place of love and security. That's what families should be. Irony alert technology, often blamed for family disconnect, might actually hold the key to bringing us back together. Think communication apps that help families stay connected, educational resources that provide guidance and support. AI could be the ultimate family therapist. We're talking about using technology to enhance human connection, not replace it. Because at the end of the day, it's about human hearts connecting. It's about parents being present. It's about families making a conscious effort to put each other first.